Hello and welcome to another video for mindful eating, healthy eating for the mind and body. Welcome to another video. Today we'll be making falafel burgers, and I'm just going to share with you the ingredients that I've got here for this recipe. What we have here is 1 tin of the chickpeas. In here we have about 2 to 3 tablespoons of flour. Here we have 1 onion, which is chopped up, and about 1/4 of coriander, and I used 1 small clove of garlic, and we're all going to put this into here like that. We're going to then add our seasonings, and the seasonings are basically is 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander that I've got fresh, harissa paste or chili powder. I'll be using added the flour already, and the sunflower oil. And basically how we're going to do this is that we've already drained the chickpeas, we drained it off, and then we're going to put it in a food processor. But I don't have a food processor, I'm using my hand blender, and we are going to mix everything together with all the ingredients here. So I'm just going to add the salt. I'm just going to add maybe 2 pinches of salt, which is roughly 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to add some ground turmeric here, which is roughly 2 teaspoons, 1 to 2 teaspoons here, which I'm adding in here. Then we're going to add some all-purpose seasoning as well, just a little bit. All-purpose seasoning, 2 to 3 teaspoons, sorry. And then we're going to add a pinch I'm just going to show you everything here. We're going to flitz this down and form them into patties. The oil will be used for frying. I won't be frying the patties. I will be basically baking them in the oven and then toasting it with some burger bread. So I'm just going to blitz it down, and I'll show you what it looks like after it's all blitzed down. Welcome back to the video. So that's the mixture, as you can see, all blitzed up. I'm going to shape them into, well, I'll try to see if I can get them into at least 4 small patties, and then I'll show you once it's all formed, and I'll bake it off, and then I'll show you the finished product. Welcome back to the video. So these are the falafel burgers here. I'm going to bake them up in the oven. I'm going to say it's going to take at least maybe 20 minutes, to maybe 170 to 180 degrees to cook these all. And then we're going to finish them off with a bit of salad on the side. Stay tuned for more of this video. Welcome back to the video. So I've toasted some burger buns here. These are brioche buns. This is the falafel burger. So now what we're going to do, we are going to add mayo here to the bit. It's very simple burger. Add a bit of lettuce. Very simple burger. And top it off. We have I'll just do another one. Basically we do the same thing again as we did with the first one. A bit of mayonnaise, not too much. Spread it at the bottom. A bit of lettuce again. Video was interesting for someone today. Please continue to like and share